Y-DNA tests are a little bit different, right? So whereas with autosomal DNA, you get a lot of DNA from many of your ancestral lines, but maybe not as far back. With Y-DNA, males only inherit Y-DNA from their father, who got it from his father, who got it from his father, who got it from his father, right? Going along in this direct paternal line of inheritance. So because the Y-DNA is passed on essentially intact, and occasionally some mutations will arise, but those are actually really helpful because then that helps to distinguish different branches of a Y chromosome lineage. So um, we can use Y DNA to distinguish between related individuals occasionally for historic unknown paternity cases, right? So you can use Y-DNA to figure out, okay, well, we know this guy was born in Virginia in 1722, and we don't know who his father was, but there's several candidates. Well, if we can test all of descendants of each of those candidates, and we can test a living descendant of our research subject, then we can use the Y-DNA to potentially distinguish which of those candidates is the most likely biological father. Um, with Y-DNA, we often have to do a lot of targeted testing and hypothesis testing and saying, well, here are the candidates. Let's see which one of them it could be.